the 21st and 22nd of July 2018, the annual meeting of the International Congress on Nutrition and Integrative Medicine was held in Sapporo City, Japan, this year marking the 26th meeting of the Congress. Researchers specializing in the field of immunity and nutrition assembled from 24 countries and regions to present their research findings and listen to those of others, with a total of 448 people attending this year.
本学会を通じて皆様方の貴重な研究成果が世界に向けて発信され、世界中の人たちの健康増進につながるとともに、北海道をはじめ我が国における関連分野の研究や産業が一層発展していくことを大いに期待をするものでございます。
本当に年々この会の内容も充実してまいりまして、世界に誇る研究成果がこの場で発表されてまいりました。世界中の人々がこういった機能性食品によって予防なり、またそういったものの治癒を目指すといったものに役に立てばというふうに考えておるところでございます。
The Congress's continuous international activity to gather evidence for and promote the applications of functional food within integrative medicine has been widely recognized and is supported by the Hokkaido Bureau of Economy, Trade and Industry, the Hokkaido Government, Sapporo City, Hokkaido Healthy and Medical Care Frontier, the Japan Meibyo System Association and Integrative Medicine Japan.
フライトアテンダントの女性の人なんかはがんになりやすい、特に乳がん。
This year's keynote lecture, Chrononutrition and Health Science, was given by Professor Shigenobu Shibata of Waseda University, Japan. Professor Shibata's lecture marked the opening of the 2018 annual meeting of the International Congress on Nutrition and Integrative Medicine, and outlined the progress and findings of his latest research to much interest from the audience. This year saw 17 oral presentations focusing on AHCC and oligonol, in which the results of high-level research were presented. Since participants hailed from 24 countries and regions, the presentations were simultaneously translated into 4 different languages. A poster session was also held in the reception area of the Congress, gathering much attention from the participants in attendance. 34 research posters were displayed, with many participants asking further questions of the presenting researchers and many interested parties surrounding the posters. In addition, a prospective new technologies developed in Hokkaido corner was also hosted, with companies and universities from Hokkaido presenting 9 prospective new technologies to an interested audience. After the end of the first day's presentations, a get-together dinner was hosted with all participants. It allowed researchers from different fields to network with others and also served as a valuable opportunity to discuss and exchange research ideas. Furthermore, several awards were given to researchers who gave particularly exceptional research presentations. The AHCC Research Association presented Young Investigator and Best Poster Awards, and the Hokkaido Bureau of Economy, Trade and Industry presented a Best Research Award. The General Congress continued on the second day, with an open public symposium being hosted after the main Congress had finished. The theme of the symposium was HPV and cervical cancer, the role of functional foods, with the latest research on cervical cancer being presented, along with tips on how to properly sift through overflowing food product advertisements. Over 100 participants attended to hear the 4 doctors and researchers discuss their research with each other. An international exchange meeting was also hosted for the 4th time this year. As the Congress hosts researchers from all over the world, partnerships were formed with Hokkaido universities that wish to globalise, and the meeting presents an active opportunity to invigorate international exchange. Along with 17 universities from all over the world, METI Hokkaido, the Hokkaido government and Sapporo City also attended. Representatives from the consulates of several countries also made an appearance, along with over 60 participants from Hokkaido companies. The focus of the meeting was the fostering of a globally focused employees, and proceedings began with examples from several countries being presented. The 26th annual meeting of the International Congress on Nutrition and Integrative Medicine. Year by year, the results of high-level, high-quality research are presented, and evidence for the applications of functional foods grows steadily stronger. We endeavour to contribute to the progress of disease prevention and treatment through research into integrative medicine and functional foods.